This Headless Professor video shows how to develop your own proposal for quantitative research. This proposal can be found at the Berkeley Electronic Press site or at the website for your course or for the Blackboard shell dedicated to your course or the Canvas shell that your course uses. Notice that the instructions are in red. You can erase those when you no longer need them. The blue would be an example. You can erase those or convert them to black. What you see in black are already parts of your proposal. Don't erase them. You're probably going to need them. Type in black and complete the proposal. Now at the top of the proposal, you're going to put your name and your section. So let's go ahead and erase the top instructions. And let's suppose your name is Susie Jones. So you're going to type your name and erase the blue example that was there. Let's suppose that your class is the 101 August section. So you'll erase the other words in blue, and you'll take the 101 August and simply convert it to black. Okay, you're going to print out and present this proposal to the instructor, a hard copy, every time you come into the office. So let's go down and start filling out the 5 major questions you must answer. Now, the first thing you have to answer is, what is your topic? You can phrase that as a question. We've given you a blue example. One of the nice things about using this form is you can go back and edit it in case you later decide to tweak the topic or tweak the subjects. Let's suppose the topic that interests you is, what is the personality of students who prefer rap music? Okay, that's the way we're going to phrase the question right now. Who are your subjects? Well, let's suppose that the easiest subjects for you to get would be 50 Crafton Hills College students walking across campus. So let's just take the blue and convert it into black. Yep, you won't need organizational permission. Approach the students individually, ask them to fill out a questionnaire, and have them deposit it into a ballot box. That looks like it'll fit your research as well. How will data be collected? Well, I think we can use pretty much what's there. We'll have to modify it slightly. You'll have a 1-page questionnaire measuring background variables. I don't think you intend to measure religiosity. We'll get rid of that. Or academic performance. Yeah, we'll measure the trait of openness as measured by the 10-item personality inventory. And then another question will measure how much the subject likes rap music. Now, if you want to go back and change that to how often the subject listens to rap music, you can do that too. Okay, now we come to the design. And here you have to indicate if it's going to be an experiment or a sample versus norms design. Probably what you're going to be doing here is a correlational design. So this will be a correlational design. The predictor variable and the criterion variable preference for rap music will be correlated. Okay, and we'll just change the blue into the black. That makes sense. This will be a correlational design. The predictor variable, personality, and the criterion variable, preference for rap music, will be correlated. Okay, the only thing we need to do now is a couple of hypotheses. Okay, actually, I think we could just do one, so we're going to change the wording there. What is your hypothesis? And you're going to say that people who are high on openness will express more of a preference for rap music. That's all you gotta do. And then save that file and then print it out, give it to me. And then if your course requires you to post it somewhere online, you can also do that. That's how it's done.